Releasing dopamine.
Brand new banger.
So right now we're in St. Ann, guys, at Priory Infant School, you know? Yeah, so this is pretty much behind the scenes. So we are there, we'll be live vibes. So the music stuff is there. Yeah, so I'll be live vibes. The sun hot. Morning, vlogger. Yeah, wagwan please. Morning. Today is Saturday. Yeah. Batman hairstyle youth. What do you youth? Don't watch me, watch yourself, youth. Anyway, my day are peeps. I just wake up. Know what I mean? I go I need to get ready quick. Cause Maddie called me late. I never give me the time for the show today. So the bus people them are gonna come link me. So we can touch the road. Wagwan vlog world, wagwan. There. And our next stop we name I also forget the name. Green Pond. You know, in St. James, Montego Bay. Yes, so we're there, Green Pond Infant School right now. You know, Digicel Foundation doing a handover at the actual place, like them refurbish it and do some holy stuff. And we're there, we teach them too on the promotion up on the road. You know. Make sure to make the switch today. Big up the Digicel Road sponsor, Sinus ENT, you know. So we're just there. People them have fun. I do everything. Yeah. We there do everything too. You know. So yeah. Hope you're good. I hope you're not enjoying yourself. And thing we just there actually. Nice little place. You know. So I'm just giving a little view the entire ground. I'm not gonna see how it stays. Yeah? So let's go and journey with your boy. Alright peeps, so as I say we're there. Open and enjoy them little short little clip there. So we're there Green Pond Infant. But that's gonna be live vibes or rest right now. Them have a little ceremony in there, so I may get some food cause I'm hungry. If you get the strength up for the next segment, vibe style. So we're just there. I get some more trouble. I have many more locations to do. I never get to show me the others cause more time when I reach a beer rain a fall, as you can look. So the sky dark. Yeah. A beer rain a fall. So yeah. Beer rain a fall. But me there, I wait upon some food. Some music boss there. Boy run down there eat some food. Yeah, this is the big bed truck with a super loud sound. Yeah, so yeah, we're there. Yeah, I'm gonna go and take it easy. So guess what? We'll just go and journey with your boy here. Yeah, vlog world, so we're back on the road again. Rain ease up. God give a little time. Right now I got a place called Lawrence Tavern. Yeah. Yeah, where that there now?
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew. St. Andrew Hills. Yeah, that's how we're going now. You know what I mean? And brother, they don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see. Oh, yeah. Touch all the road, you know. Touch the streets. You know what I mean? For a long time, you know, do the good vlog food because of the bug of rain. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so we're there now. We're going to touch the road. And thing, you know what I mean? Good morning, everybody. We here on location, Lavern's Tavern. I love the view. It's very, very beautiful. So here we are. The sun is out. No rain. I can get a chance to go rock with me and the whole crew. There's some of the crew members before we touch the place. We touch the stage before we build our vibes. It's nice. Thank you, God, for the sunshine. Woo. Thank you, God, for the sunshine. So yeah, y'all can't see me, so let me turn this way. Y'all can't see me, see the crew there. Some of the crew about to touch the stage soon. Kick off the vibes, the nice vibes. Start up everything nice. I'm so happy to be able to film for you guys again and build a vibe. So yeah, but anyway peeps, me no want to get no copyrights. Clear them off for the music, so big up on yourself. We're ready up now. Yeah, showtime, so stay tuned. Woo! Yeah, vloggers, so I'm there. We in Santa Cruz. I'm there. I want KFC. I'm there with the team and being them over there, so I'm there. My head kind of pull up the breeze, pull up my head. Over there I get some breeze. There one place called Skyview Mall. See there? Up there, so yeah. Ran just past a while ago, bus driver there, so then I stretch out my leg. Yeah. Woo, take a little break, look like they're ready now. Hold on, make a find out. Ready to move on now? I'm just a check. Yeah, man. What's up, man? Yeah, you know we in Santa Cruz, in Farin, Santa Cruz. That's where we're there, right? Yeah, man. The old people say me. You know what I mean? I don't know if you want to be on camp, so I'm not gonna put you on the camp. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're there with Big Brother. You know what I mean?
We're there.
We're there. Yeah, so we're there.
Skyview Mall.
Skyview Mall.
In Santa Cruz.
In cruising in Santa Cruz. We in Farin, so we got to change up our chat. We got to change up. Maybe I'm going to find a white chick over here and get a green card.
Far in with it.
Or an orange card or something that temporarily. Something or something, you know what I mean? Oh my God, I think I saw one coming. I'm shy. I'm not trouble. I can't take any shoes over here right now. But I'm there. I would just go and wait on the rest of the team. And so my voice feel a little bit better today. Yeah. But anyway, peeps, we're there. Let's go and join with your boy. Hey. Alright now. Alright now, bro, show them. Because them don't even know. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, all about the Digicel DL3 Pro, 32 gigabytes of internal storage. We have all of the apps them preloaded already. You get this for 5,000 and moving from one network to the other. Understand? Straight up.
Yeah. Vlog over there. With the boss himself.
Yes, I sharp boss.
Yeah.
One and only, man.
You know what I mean? Not the rising star one, you know. Big up yourself. You know what I mean? We're there at town now. You know what I mean?
Right, you know, you can take a look over this, so.
Yeah.
Over this, so we have the hot things over there.
Hot things. Cocoa brother. Hot, you know what I mean? All kind of things. But we're there, man, vlog girl. So far, it's been a ridiculous road tour so far, brother. And amount of place we go.
And we still have to dip on high alert because you don't know a Christmas festive season, the people them out. So we have a camera up and thing and you don't know everything costs money, so we have to take a little time to go out.
Yo, we got some place me not even didn't know. Well, him know, Sharp Boss know them. We got some place me I said them places that exist.
Yeah.
Yo, A whole heap of footage we miss out because I don't know
Yeah,
rain.
the place too grimy.
Yeah, them time the
Probably
beer
for
in
the
there
early,
fall.
when time all of the money done spend.
Yeah.
We could have come out more brawling, but
Yeah.
you can't go on like say we are the predator then, you see it? You can't go on like we are the predator
Yeah.
then. And then look how them feel like rich. Digicel.
Yeah.
You see me?
So see we there. A whole heap of location we go man, vlog girl.
Yeah, man.
I may never get
I
fit.
run and keep over there so still, you know, I don't know what going on, you know. Nah, keep. Look how far we block away there. Corona keep that, so. See you see it? Social distancing. Look up the road and look behind away. Social distancing. You can't go over there, so. You have to keep safe while socially distant. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah man, so anyway peeps with their town for Bill Vibes. I'm going to help out with some little thing. We couldn't do the show today. Well, my side of the show I make bag of nice car. Today I want spot and we don't want police kind of rush with. But we there downtown. This is how downtown Kingston look now, peeps, as me say.
Early. Bear in mind, early.
Yeah.
So you know it even start yet.
Yeah, you see it.
Warm
So.
up session this. Sun hot, but I want them warm.
See it here?
Pan chicken. All I want to know jerk chicken, then probably have custom it as pan chicken.
Yeah.
So have it over there, so then.
Yeah. Mrs. Deaver, that's your thing. That's your thing, the pan chicken. Here it is.
Yeah, pan chicken.
There it is, Miss Deaver.
If you come from Kingston and you never hear about Buddy Buy yet, which probably you can get the hottest set of clocks, except from Arcade in a half a tree.
Yeah.
Over that corner there, over there say it's called Buddy Buy, over that blue place there. Buddy Buy. Clocks and beer things over there.
I never did know that.
Yeah.
I never did know that. But anyway, vlog, here my friend come out strong. Watch your hotters here, watch your. Never want to give myself no trouble. Anyway, we there still. I go check one man. We there sell some bag and try conking in my head and see if we can get it for a cheaper price. But anyway, peeps, shout out to DVR Army, the whole squad. Yeah, around there, so.
Yeah,
Around there, so. Shout out to the DVR Army and everybody we there. Downtown Kingston. I'm going to get some footage for you now. Ah, shoot! So journey with your boy, hey? Vlog where we there with my friend them, you know, some of my friends them. We're there on the road with me all along. You know what I mean? Where we travel over all over Jamaica. We got Ochi, we got foreign Ochi. And all in place there, Negrilio. And Western Millions, what do you call it, West Millions? And Negrilia. I mean Negril. And Ochi. You know what I mean? So my friend the boss say, hello. Jesus, it's you, Fred. Look at Fred. Say hello.
Hi guys.
Oh my God, so the next video say, no sir, yo. So hold on, I'm going to ask you one question. What do you want for 2021 when it comes?
Money.
Where you say money?
More money.
Where you say, my friend?
More life.
More life.
More life. More prosperity.
You know, say a real mediator, right now what I want for my country still a restoration and more peace. Yeah, COVID kind of mash up a whole heap of things still, because I never did know say so much people in Jamaica never have a job. You didn't know say almost 50% of people in Jamaica don't have a work.
Yeah, because
Yeah. And that's why I go so hard. That's why I go so hard for the thing, to make the thing go on. Try my best because it's a feed whole heap of we, including me. You know what I mean? Some of us are hope for the best for 2021. You know what I mean? Bigger and better year, because I know the struggle is real as rapper crapper when I say big up yourself. But yeah, so when I go tomorrow, it's what you keep, where you go?
I'm not gonna go to
You done that, and Joel is a watch it, go. Go.
We are going inside.
I lie. No, they want go. Where you go? I lie, the one look for their boyfriend and hook. The one hook. I tell you, you look for your boyfriend and them a hook and go, you go. I tell you look rude to your face, you will buy some money, you kill. I see that they want to do. So come. So, what's the boy?
Bye.
Oh my God, that's my friends. Jesus. Oh my God, Betty. You look fine. You know, say you look good with the cap. You know, you take care of the cap, they fit here. Look. No man, you go on man. Oh my god. Oh my, what you say? What you say? What she say? No way, mom. I did Jesus with you. Yeah. You go tomorrow. Yeah, Allah is gonna look for your boyfriend. Okay. You gonna do? What you that Johnson rule. Stop it. Alright, so we're going to vlog world. So pretty much we're there. And this is the last location we're doing in Spanish Town right now for this year 2020. So just they are showing around, giving a quick preview of the place and thing. So yeah. Today are Wednesday the 30th. So yeah, we're there at Spanish Town man. Last location out of all of them locations they were showing, and that was just some of the locations they will go. We've been to so many locations all over Jamaica, but pretty much we're gonna wrap it up right now for that area. It's gonna be my last show for this year until 2021 and things. So something on my eye. Hold on, something on my eye. Yeah. So it's been crazy. Full of vibes. Some locations, some locations hype and things. But it's been epic, it's been good and thing. I'm glad I could make on a journey with your boy and come vibe with your boy and have some fun and thing. And I hope you enjoy it too, you know. Shout outs to DVR Army, shout outs to Lassine, shout outs to Digicel, shout outs to Loop, shout outs to Bacchanal, all my sponsor them and everybody and thing, you know. Yeah. Shout outs to something on me, hold on. Yeah. Shout out to the whole Sinus Gaming and Entertainment crew. I've been on the road working a lot. I may not be able to upload that much, but I'm gonna see a little piece. You know what I mean? How that come to come on. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna see what I really going on, what I've been up to, why I haven't been uploading so much. And so as I usually upload and thing, but yeah. Right now I take my lunch and but just there I'll be advised with you know. As it's gonna wrap up right now still and thing. Yeah, I'm there. But the day not really fully done yet. Now I go my stylist, go shut up my ear. I may have something to make on the roll with you too. As we there have fun and things. So yeah, I'm there. Hope you enjoy everything. Happy New Year when it comes. I pray this 2021 will be a year of restoration and love and healing and one bag of stuff like that, you know. You know what I mean? A lot of bad things happening in 2020. Well, this year, but a lot of good things too, a lot of blessings and challenges and ups and downs and things. But yeah, we're there. Until soon again, 2021. So just go on journey with your boy. Thank you very much for everybody who support me. We're going to go harder in 2021. We're not going to see more uploads, more this, more gaming. Check out my gaming channel too. Yeah, we're not done yet. But so just go on journey with your boy here. Yeah, one more day left for 2020 done. But last tour this for 2020 for me and things. So yeah, just go on journey with your boy. Shoot!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like hope it could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the